Hello, everybody. Happy Monday to you all. I'm Teresa. This, of course, is Seeds of Faith, and I am happy that you have stopped in to share this moment with me. This is an intentional invitation to all of y'all to join us tonight for our last gospel chat of 2025. Now, normally during our live sessions, there are two things that I don't do. I don't have a stopwatch to control the time. We flow in perfect harmony when we come together. And so I'm able to see when everybody is full up and I'm able to hear the Spirit of the Lord responding to my heart. And then I respond for y'all and close the chat. At that point, the live chat becomes a video. Okay. So I don't have a stopwatch. So you can come into the chat and stay as long as you want to stay. Also, I love the chats because they give me an opportunity to communicate with y'all almost cheek to cheek, okay? You can hear me, I can't hear you, but I do read the comments. And again, we do flow together, and you will hear me speaking about the comments that are made. And that's all part of that banter that develops during the live process. And so you will have an opportunity to ask questions or share your comments over there in the chat section of the live if you so choose. If you don't want to, but you just want to come and sit and be part of the chat, we have a body of people that do that. That's fine. You are welcome to do that. All I want for you, all we want for you, is to enjoy yourself when you come into our home, which is Seeds of Faith. Seeds of Faith is a platform that houses words of encouragement on a daily basis, several times a day, that are posted to inspire your growth, spirit, soul, and body. Why is that important? It is important because your whole man consists of your spirit, your soul, your mind, emotion, and will, and it's housed in your body. So, back to the second thing that we offer during our lives. Normally, I don't have a set topic that I open the chat in. However, because tonight is our last gospel chat of 2025, I thought that it would be great to have a specific topic. So I will be guiding us into this topic throughout our chat. The topic is going to be spiritually ready for the new year. How do we get spiritually ready? What does that mean? What do I need to do? What can I do that I haven't been doing to make 2026 different? I know a lot of us are familiar with creating list of things that we want to change and working on that list, and somewhere near the early months of the new year, those lists kind of poot out and they get thrown to the wayside. And watch, when that happens, what happens internally in your soul is that you're actually feeling defeated. And so a lot of times we set unobtainable goals. We're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about how we can ready ourselves in the Lord to be ready to enter into 2026 and to continue to walk through this flesh by his spirit in 2026. So if you're one who has troubled with your relationship with the Lord, or if you don't have one and you've been thinking of developing one, then tonight would be a great night for you to join our live chat. Maybe you will hear something. Not maybe, listen to me. I know better than maybe. I'm just trying to be respectful. I'm going to tell you what I know. You are going to hear something tonight in our live topic that is going to bless you throughout the chat. And not only, again, not only will you have access to it tonight, but after the chat, it will become a video. You will always have access to it, okay? So, please receive this as a personal invitation from our heart to yours to join our gospel chat. Now, you can set your post notification bell so that you'll be notified for this live. To do that, though, you have to be a part of our family, and we welcome you to join us. You're more than welcome to do that now. All you have to do is hit the subscription icon, and then you're going to see a post notification bell pop up once you've done that. Go ahead, tap onto that, and when you get inside, select all, and then that way you will be notified. Now, there have been times that I've been made aware of that people have not received their notification. So to take care of that, I'll let you know now that I use the description section to post what's next, which means it will tell you the times and the dates of videos and lives that are going to post here at Seeds of Faith. And so whether or not you get your post by YouTube, you will always know what's happening at Seeds of Faith. You just write it down on a piece of post-it paper for yourself, and then that way you will know. I also have a few people who have requested me to send them a link for the posts. And if you would like to do that, I would be more than happy to add you to that list. All you have to do is give me your contact information, and then I will take care of that. Now, you probably don't want to do that in the comment section. Again, in the description section, you're going to find contact information for me here at Seeds of Faith through our email address and other means that you can reach me, and we can set up a time of communication, okay? So go there and look for that. And also, if you were here for the first time, a heart hug to you. Our new family members, heart hug to you. And look, you have a library of videos, over 900 now, to access. All you have to do is go there and take a look at the titles, and if any one of them hops out at you, you are more than welcome to review that. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you thought of the video. And I always read your comments and I respond, and I look forward to hearing from you. I'm sure you are going to find content there that is going to bless you. We also have access to our community page when you become a member here at Seeds of Faith. All you have to do is go into it. You're going to find daily posts that are going to inspire you, that's going to uplift you. Some of them are very cute and sweet, and they are meant to just give you a smile. Why? Because Jesus loves you, and this is an awesome time to be his child. We're going to talk all about all of this later on tonight. I hope you are going to join us for tonight's Gospel Live. It will be amazing, and more so with you there. I'll see you then, I pray. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and we'll chat real soon right here on Seeds of Faith. Bye, everybody.